Guys, you're welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how I installed my crochet braids. So you braid your hair like this or any other way that you love to braid your hair before you start installing the braids. Already know that I cannot proceed without showing you the hair or the package of the hair that I'm going to be using. So it's called Freedom Crochet Braids. This is what it looks like. You can get this hair everywhere, and it comes in 2 bundles inside. I want to say that I'm sorry for how my voice sound in this video. I know that my voice sound really tired. That is because I lost my voice because of the cold, and I've been trying everything to get it back. It's been almost a week. Is why it took me so long to post this video, because I've been trying everything to clear my voice before I post the video. But anyways, in my next video it's going to be better. If you know any way or anything I can use to get my voice back, please do let me know in the comment section below. I would really appreciate it, because this thing is not easy. You know that losing your voice can be this hard, because right now I'm just forcing myself to speak like it's hard. I'm just gonna let you watch this video. I promise before my next video I'm going to look for something to to get my voice back, and I'll be able to talk to you guys no more like before. This is the final look and I hope you enjoy watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much. I will see you all in my next video. Bye.